easiest trading strategy for me is going to be rejections. Let me show you why. And you can learn all about this right inside of my Telegram channel. It's totally free. So is the course. All right. So look, we have 8 different rejections from this one trend line. And I actually took about 4 or 5 5-second trades on each of these. But these are 1-minute classic candles. So you can actually use the 1-minute timer and you would have won 8 of them. Okay. So you can see on this one trend line, we have 1 touch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we kind of went through, but we didn't, and then we started going to the upside. So are there any other indicators that are required with this? No, there's not. Are there a bunch of rules that you got to learn? No, there's not. Is it really easy? Yes, it is. Can anyone do it? Yes, you can. And is this something that, is going to take you a ton of time and money to learn? No, it's not. You can even see right here, we have 1 touch against a trend line, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then that's it. So if you want to learn how to use this extremely predictable and very, very profitable strategy for rejection trading, then jump into my Telegram channel. It's 100% free. Link is on the screen. Link is down in the description. And I even have a course that'll teach you how to do it.